Office syndrome. Common diagnosis given by the physicians, rheumatologists, but it's kind of became very popular diagnosis. So we have to understand the causes and what does that mean. We have discussed the office syndrome in the book Health Brings Wealth, and this page basically summarizes what is behind the office syndrome. So first we have to understand the symptoms. Usually it relates to men and women who spend the working day at the office. For hours they sit without motion and they start to develop symptoms such as hand pain, they are sad, their eyes get irritated, inflamed, they have to put eye drops. They report on shoulder pain, shoulder and neck, sometimes combined with unspecific dizziness, which has no neurological background, fatigue, and then additional symptoms such as low back pain, pain in the head, headache, and finally also foot pain while sitting all the time. So this is what is understood to be an office syndrome. So where we start, again, prevention is the number one. The basic is get 2 exercise pills a day. Do aerobic exercise in the morning, do some strengthening exercise at the evening. But also you have to adapt your work space. You should be sitting at the desk that your eyes are directly focusing on your screen. Most of us are working with the computers and with the screen. You have slight inclination of the screen that you can look without having the cervical spine in bending position. So that's the number one. Have a good chair and optimal situation, what we call ergonomics on the workspace. Then what we do recommend during the working hours, after every 30 minutes stand up, move through the office, make couple of bendings, move your head, but change the body position. That's very important that you do not spend hours and hours in front of the screen. And we have shown in the book some very useful and very efficient exercises which you can do during your working day. And then what can you do if you suffer? You can go to the massage, but do not allow a very fast movement, particularly of the cervical spine. That's rather counterproductive. Just have a soft tissue massage by skilled, and particularly in your surrounding. In the Southeast Asia, you have excellent techniques to be used. But more important also after the working hours to walk around, be in the nature, relax. Because what many people call the physical and mental stress will aggravate the symptoms of office syndrome. So again, the physical activity, very often changing of the position in front of the computer, stand up, walk in the office, get the drink or whatever, but just not being for hours in the same position. So that's again in a nutshell what you can do. Important is that you do by yourself and not always delegate the treatment to other facilities.